The Innovator Veneer edge splicing machine from Taiwan is a premium solution designed to deliver flawless veneer joints with outstanding strength and visual quality. This machine accurately joins veneer edges with a seamless finish, eliminating visible glue lines and ensuring a natural wood appearance that meets high-end furniture standards. Equipped with an integrated gluing and heating system, the Innovator Veneer Splicer enables continuous, stable, and high-speed production, significantly reducing manual labor and material waste. The machine operates smoothly with precise pressure control, ensuring consistent bonding quality even with thin veneers. Manufactured in Taiwan under strict industrial standards, Innovator machines are known for their durability, reliability, and long service life. This veneer splicing solution is ideal for furniture factories, decorative panel producers, and veneer processing lines that demand high efficiency, perfect surface quality, and cost optimization. By investing in the Innovator Veneer Edge Splicing machine, manufacturers can increase productivity, improve product value, and gain a competitive advantage in premium woodworking markets.